Hey, Greg Jeffries here, and this video I want to share with you something pretty cool that I came across with Facebook advertising just recently. I don't really do a lot of hardcore Facebook marketing. I just kind of stick to the basics. But when I was going through some of the features and tabs, I came across this feature, which I don't think has been around that long, but I just recently noticed it because I don't usually advertise in this way. But I want to share it with you because it can potentially eliminate the use or the need for other Facebook ad managers and tools out there. And that's what I like about Facebook. It's like as they're evolving, a lot of these solutions that were third-party tools, like the retargeting tools, where retargeting is still powerful. Those solutions out there for retargeting on other websites, but as far as retargeting back to Facebook, Facebook has their own built-in retargeting pixel and platform, so you don't have to use things like AdRoll and retargeter and perfect audience anymore to retarget on Facebook because they have their own tracking pixels and technology. So I'm just going to choose one of my websites here. So I'm going to click send people to website and clicks to website just for this example. And I'm in the Facebook ad manager, just under the little tab up here, and click create ads. So that's how I got here. And if we scroll down here to the budget, what I noticed was it says run ads all the time, and then I clicked more options and I noticed run ads on a schedule. So I thought that was pretty neat. And you notice I can't select it here, but it says ad scheduling only works with lifetime budget. So normally I just have a continuous ad budget, $5, $10, whatever dollars a day, but I don't usually do a start and end date. But if you switch this from per day to lifetime budget, so let's say you wanted to do $50 lifetime budget and you wanted to do it 5 days, you wanted to it's $10 a day, then that opens up this run ads on a schedule. So if I select that, I actually have the opportunity to schedule specific times throughout the day and throughout the week that I want my ads to run. So you can split test. So you can use this feature to split test ads, or maybe run the same ads but at different times. So you'll make one ad and then make a duplicate of that ad for a different time period and split test to see which time period to get you the most clicks and most results, so that you're not overspending. Yes, it's going to cost you money on the front end to test this, but that's just the nature of the game. You have to test in order to save money in the long run. So you have to be willing to budget or include a portion of your budget for testing, so that you can save a lot more money in the long run. So for one ad, you may say, I'm going to schedule this, and this is from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So I'm going to run my ads from the morning hours into the afternoon, or to the morning hours, and the next ad I'm going to run them from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. And see which one performs the best. So, and then from there you can even refine it even further. So I'd run maybe one in the morning and a split test and add in, or only run it, scheduled to run it in the evening of that, of your lifetime budget. So if you're running for 5 days, morning for 5 days, and then the other one run for the evening for 5 days. And if the morning one produces very little results, then you know that the next ad that you run in that ad set, you want to create one and only run it in the evening, and then you can see which evening hours produce the most revenue for you. Is it between 12 and 3 or 6 and midnight? If you find out that this window is the prime window for you to advertise in, then you don't need to be spending your advertising budget running continuously all day if this period of time is going to not produce anything. So I wanted to share that with you. That's built in here to Facebook itself, so you don't have to use Quaya, however you say it. This is a pretty cool tool. It's only $149 a month that you may want to use to kind of automate and make your Facebook advertising a little more efficient if you decide to scale. But if you're working with a small budget, a small set of ads, then you can do the scheduling right inside of Facebook and just not have to worry about any of these kind of third-party tools. And then as far as click tracking and measuring your results, Facebook does have some of their own with their conversion, their conversion pixels as well as their retargeting pixels, so you can use their own solutions for you to track your results as far as clicks and leads and sales. But another tool I recommend is called ClickMagick, and that can give you a lot more freedom and functionality with being a tracker, rotator, link manager, a lot of cool things and features that you can do with ClickMagick. So I mainly just wanted to shoot this video to share this, something that I discovered within Facebook, something that if you're not doing a lot of Facebook ads, then you may not have noticed or seen that. So I want to share that with you. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, this is Greg Jeffries, and thanks so much for watching. And for more internet marketing tools and resources, be sure to head on over to imsource.org. Again, this is Greg Jeffries. Thanks so much for watching.